July 7th, and this year it is 2023. I am turning 20, so wish me happy birthday. Well, I just got out of the shower, I just brushed my teeth, and right now I'm gonna do my face, my skincare, my skincare routine, and then I'm gonna lay my lace, so stay tuned. So you guys, I am thinking about making 2 parts. I'm thinking about making my my skincare routine and my lace tutorial together, and then I am going to wrap that up and then make my birthday vlog, which is tomorrow. So yeah, I'm gonna do this tonight. I don't know if I'm gonna edit. I might edit it tonight and then post it tomorrow. Yeah, I might probably edit this tonight before I go to sleep, and then post this tomorrow and post the other one like later on that night. But whatever I do, I'm gonna figure it out. But right now it's my MEEE collagen facial mask. I'm sorry for my mispronouncing. I'm a little tired, and I'm ready to get this over with so I can clean. My baby father actually got this for me as a present. But this is for me to clean my face. I hope my batteries work for it, but it is a 4-in-1 electric spa brush, which is going to be easier to clean my face. So I think I'm going to use this first, and then I'm going to use the face mask because the face mask got to sit for a while. So I'm probably going to just clean my face first and then use that. So okay, you guys, so normally I do like to wash my face like at night, because the next day I'm probably most likely going to be putting on my makeup. But this is how the kit looks. It's really cute. It has like a case for all of my my stuff to go in, and I can actually switch this out with different things. It's a 3-in-1, so you can switch it into whatever you want it to be. This is really great because I like stuff like this. I love to clean my skin. I care about my skin. I love clear skin. You always have to keep your skin clear. That's the #1 rule. And I also got these off of Amazon for, I think they were like 16 bucks. They're really good. They work really well. They make your skin so soft. But they're really wet, so beware. So right now I am going to try to put some batteries in here. I hope it isn't too much to it because, nah. But I'm gonna break my nail. Okay, y'all, so unfortunately I couldn't find no batteries, and I wasn't about to just waste a piece of video on like nothing if I couldn't find my batteries. So I just cleaned my face. Video I will be doing a strictly I'm sorry, a hair company is texting me right now, so I had looked at it at the message, but I will be doing strictly a skincare tutorial. I just wash my skin the regular way because I didn't feel like doing that, but I will be doing a skincare tutorial personally by itself soon, so you guys need to stay tuned for that. You guys do not want to miss that. That is the best that be out. Like, I love skincare tutorials, like seeing people take care of their skin, because that's one thing I don't play about. I do not play about my skin. So we're gonna get straight into this video. I did clean my skin really well. I did want to make that video because I have not made a skincare tutorial yet, but I will. Yes, I am still going to add that clip to my video because, yeah, just to let y'all see that I tried. But I do have to buy batteries for this. I did not realize that it did not come with batteries, but I will buy some batteries for this because I do want to come out with a tutorial on my skincare really soon and a TikTok. So yeah, So today I will be making the first part of my birthday vlog, which will be my wig tutorial, and I am going to be doing a 13x4 lace frontal install. So yes, it is a tune wig, so I am gonna put review at the end because all my wig reviews, they're building up, they're getting more views, my content is really building, so I want to make more content for you guys if that's okay with you. I am gonna have 2 parts of this vlog, which will be my birthday vlog and this tutorial. So yeah, I think you guys will like. So today I have added 2 things to my collection, but I do have to get more stuff. I ordered these off of Amazon. These are HD wig caps. And you could get these off of Amazon, like I said. I ordered a 6-pack so I wouldn't run out as fast. I think they were only like $4 for a 6-pack, but they got all types of packs. They even got stuff with like the caps and the makeup that come with it, the bands. They have all types of stuff, and I actually got this from the hair store. It is from Even. It is lace tint, medium brown, and I think it was only $9, not too bad. I needed some lace tint because I've been using like a lot of makeup on my caps, and I feel like it's like a waste. So the lace tint will come in handy. And as you can see over there, that is my little collection: my blow dryer, my pressing comb, my flat iron, my wig, and my glue from Azura Wigs. It's actually her lace glue, what I am going to be using today, not the Bomba Grip serum. I am not going to be using the Bomba Grip serum, but I will be using her lace glue. It actually stays in place and it's waterproof. So if you need some glue that is waterproof and stays in place, and you go swimming a lot and you like to wear your wigs swimming, or your deep wave, or your water wave, however you like to wear your style swimming, that will come in handy. But yeah, we are going to get started into this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow my social sites, follow my Instagram and my TikTok, and yeah, we're about to get straight into it. Okay, and yes, this is the wig I am going to be installing. So stay tuned. I am going to start my TikTok real quick, so I'll be right back with you guys. So I got my HD cap. It's kind of like, it got like a weird fling. But I think it'll work really. So y'all, I sprayed that jar on there. And y'all probably gonna catch it in my little TikTok because I did not spray it on there on my YouTube video, but I don't know if I sprayed enough. It might be enough. I don't want to keep spraying, but yeah, got it pretty much skin tight. Didn't have to paint, didn't have to do none of that. Easy. It was so good. So now I'm gonna go in with my glue. I gotta work a little magic on my glue. I don't know if I should I might have to take like all of this off of here and point the camera camera towards this way, because I got this done. I am about to cut this cap. I think I should put like more on where the ear is so that it will not come up. Y'all, my cap is blocked, especially on this side. I feel like this side I always do like the best one, because I come from straight from the middle on out. And then I got to scissor it. I do not feel like my cap is even, but Oh well, because I feel like I started clearing some of my edges, so I really did not want to do all that, but we're gonna try this one. And this is 28 inches. The oval. I'm not gonna worry about all that. We're just gonna put this fucking wig on straight on. You know what we're seeing. So how do you think it looks? I think it looks pretty good. I just feel like it needs to be like flat iron. But I think it looks really good. Honestly. And then I am gonna have to like, okay, I feel like this is but it is pre-plugged. Like, look how good that lace look. It looks super good. Yeah. I hope it didn't spray too much, y'all. I hope it don't look like it's orange, but it do look like the knots are bleached, y'all. Like, and they're not even bleached. It's just spray. But yeah. Until I learn how to bleach, this is what I'm gonna be doing. Look at the texture. But yeah, y'all, it looks really, really good. And I am about to install this in a quick sec. I think Lonnie like threw it somewhere. I bought a freaking one of those little things that you could use to put your glue around the banner of your head. But I swear I think Lonnie did something with it, because as soon as I go to look for it, I can't freaking find it. But I want to make sure my lace is locked like to the T, because yeah, I want to make sure this lace is not coming up whatsoever, because I want my lace to just be lifting. So yeah, I want to make sure this is like locked, like in place, locked. Okay, and I'm gonna give this about a couple minutes because I gotta let this dry. My forehead, like right there again, because I just did it, but I have to do it again because I just laid another freaking layer of glue. And I want to make sure it's really, really clean. I'm not to lay this thingy. I don't look motherfucking good. Like, look at this. And it's literally melted. Literally. It's melted. Okay, baby. I'm going to use this, though, to melt it even more. Because I got to get my wig in place. So I don't want to just be walking around here looking like whatever. So yo, my freaking birthday is like it's late to the guys, but y'all, we about to melt this, so it's gonna be on there for about 25 minutes. And I did use my lace glue from WIG. It works really well. I feel like when I use it, my lace lasts a little bit longer. So yeah, it do not cost that much if you are looking to buy. So yeah, we about to get this lace stuck in place so we could get the cut in it, and it's gonna look real good. So I gotta celebrate quiet because the kids is asleep, but it's my birthday and I am 20 years old. I'm so blessed. Happy birthday to me. I know I'm gonna have so much fun today, but yeah, we about to finish this whole tutorial, so stay tuned for that. This is almost done melted. I'm about to put the blow dryer on actually to make it go faster, and yeah, it's lit. Okay, you guys, so I had to use this to freaking make my lace flat. If y'all don't understand where I'm getting from, my freaking pressing comb is broke. So, baby, I gotta do what the heck I gotta do. Okay? And I'm gonna do what the heck I gotta do to get my lace how I want it to be. I'm gonna do what the heck I gotta do. Period. You guys, that is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoy, and make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram at topnotch.ashanti, follow my TikTok at lushwithashanti. I really hope you guys enjoyed that, cause yeah. But yes, this is 28 inches. Yo, I just want to trim like this. Press out really good.